Hi, third grade. Shurley Grammar lesson here. We're going to be working on. It's page 12 in your book. We may have already filled it in. Might already have the answers to this, but I would like you to do it again to refresh yourself on it. Also, I want you to refer to page 86 in your book, which is the jingle for the helping verbs. Remember our lean, mean verb machine, and it's got am, is, are, was, and were, be, being, and been. Okay, you're going to want to refer to that for one of the questions on here. Okay, let's classify this. Classify each sentence. Our seeds sprouted and grew into vegetables. What sprouted and grew into vegetables? Seeds. Subject, noun. What is being said about seeds? Seeds sprouted and grew. Compound verb. Compound verb. Now remember, they're both verbs. Sprouted, that's something does. Okay, a seed sprouts. And grew, growing. That's another action that's done by the seeds. And they're conjoined together by a conjunction. Into, go to the middle, and what do you find? A preposition. Into, vegetables, object of the preposition. Let's put a parenthesis right around that prepositional phrase right away. Now we're going to go back and we see we haven't done our yet. Now what is our? That's right. It's a possessive pronoun adjective, PPA. All right, so let's divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. So here is our verb, and here is our noun, right? So we're going to slice it right there. What kind of a sentence? Declarative, okay? So we're going to check back, and we have subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, and a check, okay? And that's the first sentence. Okay, let's look at the next one. A red bird flew to the feeder yesterday. What flew to the feeder yesterday? Bird. Subject, noun. What is being said about the bird? The bird flew. Verb. Go to the middle, what do we find? To. Preposition. What is the object of this preposition? That's right, the feeder, because it's a noun. The OP is always a noun. The article adjective. Now, what's yesterday? What does it tell us? When. That's right. How, when, where. And that would be an adverb. Very good. And then over here we have what? Something describing the bird. Red. Bird is an adjective. Very good. And then a article adjective. So we have a red bird flew to the feeder yesterday. That would be a declarative sentence, another declarative. We're going to take our prepositional phrase and put parenthesis or brackets around it. We're going to go to the middle and we're going to find our verb and say, oh, let's divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Okay, subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. Okay, so we've done 2 of those. I'm going to have you do the other 2 on yourselves. Remember, we have something special right here. I think you remember, and you're probably saying it to yourself now, and you have something very special right there. So don't forget it, okay? All right, let's go here. We're going to be using a or an. Now remember the rule for using a or an. What is it? Think about it very carefully. If the word before the after the an begins with a consonant, we're going to use an a, right? The dog chewed a bone. The dog chewed what kind of bone? Old bone. So we have a vowel here. So it's an old bone. Okay, I'll let you do the other 2 yourself. Now these are always hard, the matchings, but let's go to the let's go and look at what we've got. So a word that usually starts the complete predicate. Now what's a predicate? Look over here. We have to divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. So the word that starts the predicate would be the verb. So we want to look for the word verb. There it is. Verb. So it's letter E. End mark for a declarative sentence. That's simple, right? We know it's called a period. So that's G. Okay? I'm not going to do all of these with you, but I know you know how to do this. Words used to express mild or strong emotion. Now, what does that mean? Mild or strong emotion. Do you remember? What's this? Interjection. Where is it? Right. Where is interjection? There it is. A. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to have you complete that afterward on your own. Now here, when you go to what are the 8B verbs, I want you to go to page 86, okay? Go to page 86 and find them, okay? And then what are the 7 subject pronouns? That's on 85. Okay, subject pronouns are on page 85. Go to 85. All right, so I want you to look in the back. I want you to put them down exactly correctly there, okay? All right, the next thing I want to show you these instructions here. Now, we've done this before. Find one part of speech for each sentence, right? SN, SP above the simple subject and V and HV above the simple predicates, okay? Underline the words for the part of speech listed to the left. Right there, the left. Okay, now this is the left. We're looking for conjunctions here. Okay, so you're going to underline the conjunction and. Look at that. Okay, you're going to find the subject noun. Several boys and girls went to the cafeteria. Oh, what did we find? Boys and girls are the subject noun, right? Subject noun. It's a compound. Compound, subject, noun. What is being said about boys and girls? Boys and girls went. Now that's all they want marked. You don't have to mark the rest of this. This is not like the top. That one is you have to classify all of it. This one you only have to find the subject, noun, verb, and the underline the part of speech. Okay, I'm going to leave you to this, but I will post the answers tomorrow. Okay? You guys have a great night. Bye-bye.